Now that Samsung has introduced all of its high-end smartphones for the year, the emphasis of leaks has switched to the Galaxy S24 series. The South Korean company's next-generation Galaxy S series phones are scheduled to become official in the first quarter of 2024, but the precise launch date has been uncertain, but that seems to have changed today. Reliable hint Star Ice Universe has disclosed on the Chinese microblogging site Weibo that Samsung may launch the Galaxy S24 series on January 18. He claims that although this is not an exact date, Samsung would most likely reveal its new flagship smartphone around that time. This rumor is consistent with an earlier report that claims Samsung will launch the Galaxy S24 series earlier than usual to counter strong demand for the recently launched iPhone 15 series. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, Samsung's launch events for Galaxy S flagships were largely in March but have crept up earlier in the year every year. Following last year's Galaxy S23 series, which debuted in mid-February 2023, the Galaxy S24 series will reportedly have the earliest release date ever. The Exynos 2400 CPU may be used in the Galaxy S24 series in Asia, Africa, and Europe, whereas the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor could be used in Canada, China, and the United States. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus might have 12GB of RAM and 256/512GB of storage, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra could have up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. 50-megapixel main cameras, 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras, and 10-megapixel telephoto cameras might be used in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might contain a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It is reported that all phones in the lineup will feature QHD plus Super AMOLED displays with 2500 nits peak brightness. While the Galaxy S24 Plus will be powered by a 4900 mAh battery, the Galaxy S24 may feature a 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.